All right, Eureka math. Eureka. I'm trying to put too many words together. Let's try it again. Eureka math squared, fourth grade, module 2, right there, M2, lesson 25. Almost done. There's this homework and then the homework for 26, and then there's no more homework for this module. But that means there's a test coming. All right, make sure we're paying attention, make sure we're ready for that test. Round the number to the given place. Show your thinking on a number line. All right. Round to the nearest 100,000. The nearest 100,000. That's this number. This is going to be our indicator number to tell us where we're going. All right. So we're going to the nearest 100,000. So that would mean these will all be zeros if it's 100,000. So our down would be the small 100,000 smaller than this number. And our up would be the next 100,000 above this number, right? And then our middle, well, what's halfway between the number? What's halfway between? These are only, if we look at it like this, right? Say this is 600 you're looking at and 500. What's halfway between 600 and 500? What's halfway between 60 and 50? Okay, that would be 5, 5, 0. 0, 0, 0. All right. So if you guys can hear that noise, I apologize. I still haven't figured out why my computer makes that noise every once in a while. I have absolutely no clue. All right. Anyways, so where does this number go on this number line? Is 509,736 bigger than 550,000 or smaller than 550,000? I'm saying smaller. 509,736. All right, so what's it closer to? It's close to this number. So this rounds to 500,000. All right, over here, you're going to round to the nearest 10,000. So we're going to round this number, right? Round the 0 using the 9. Round the 0 using the 9. Okay. Fill in the rest chart. Remember, it's only 10,000s you're doing. Sorry, I made that mark by accident. It's bothering me. All right. I did not erase that at all. I tried. Hold on. Okay, that's better now. I know you can still see it, but it makes me feel better. All right. So, nearest 10,000, right? So, down and up. What's this going to be? If you're down, what's this going to be if it's up? It's the nearest 10,000. Remember, this is the number that might change depending on what 9 tells it to do. All right, that's it. Look at that. Nothing on the back. Only 2 problems today. That's the kind of homework we like. I hope this helped. Again, this was Eureka Math Squared, 4th grade edition, Module 2, homework helper for number 25, my favorite number. Have a great day, guys. Goodbye.